Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine stuck on spin cycle. Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is stuck on spin cycle? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Reset the machine. If your Bosch washing machine is stuck on the spin cycle, one possible solution to it is to reset the machine. For that, press and hold the start button for a few seconds. You will hear a beep, which will reset the machine. 2. Check for blockages. Another common issue that can cause the washing machine to get stuck on spin cycle is blockages. Ensure that the pump filter is clear of any obstruction. If there are collar stiffness or other debris blocking the filter, clear them out to allow proper water drainage. 3. Inspect drainage hose. A kinked or blocked drainage hose can also lead washing machine to not spin properly. Check the drainage hose for any kinks or blockages. Make sure it is correctly installed without any obstructions that could impede water flow. 4. If you have tried resetting the machine, checking for blockages and all other fixes and still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Bosch customer service.